InvisiPure Luna Cool Mist Humidifier, Top Fill, Plus by InvisiPure is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Easier to fill and clean, with its patented top fill design and hidden water level sensor, this ultrasonic humidifier gives you easy, total access to the entire tank, so you can fill and clean it in no time. Doubles as aromatherapy diffuser. Go ahead. Add your favorite essential oils to this versatile fine mist humidifier. Thanks to its premium, oil-safe construction, it won't crack, leak, or corrode. Safer to operate, designed and tested for safety, your Luna portable humidifier features patented technology which only lets in water when needed, preventing leaks and other problems associated with traditional humidifiers. Light and compact. Just 2-3 pounds. Longer run time, greater comfort. Your 3-level mist humidifier runs up to 24 hours at low, 17 at medium and 10 at high. Promotes easier breathing and more comfortable sleep. Helps prevent static shock. Virtually silent, some humidifiers make annoying gurgling noises as they fill with water. But, thanks to its magnetic suspension technology, your Luna humidifier diffuser is always amazingly quiet.